What's up, guys? I have my phone mount on. Cole bought for me. Shout out to Cole for buying me a phone mount. So now I can, play with boobies now. I just kidding. Okay, well, to go with Susan, yeah, we're going to go to Cole house and meet up with him. Yeah, we're going to go on a bike ride. I think he is going to post a YouTube video too, and I'm going to have a YouTube video. So it's going to be a nice bike ride. And this is a chest mount, so it's Sonnet B Rabbity. So be just fine. I have to put this back in the fridge, just I don't want it to get bad. This is Pumpkin. She's pretty nice kitty when she wants to be. And I'm probably gonna have a lot of people saying, "Ew, you have cats on your table." Well, you can say all you want to say. That's what it is. You just deal with it. So don't follow me. That's what it is. But I do need to get the seat pace. This is a little bit labby. But it get going. This is what I had on, and this is what it was. Why it was so vibrating. But I hope this will help out better. Shout out to Cole. Well, to get this bike outside first, I need to have a pair of gloves. And I don't know where was my pair of gloves. Is it behind here? This is an engine I saw you guys before. I mean, I was fixing it and stuff. The same thing. I don't know what it is. Well, dang. Doesn't need it for the bug fly. Well, I can use a look jobs because I don't want to be here all day. You freaking waste time. It's gonna be up here somewhere. Yep, I know. Not that thick, but it's gonna look. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they're not that thick at all. But I can go back out there and go get another pair of gloves just like this one you put on top. So they're not that thick at all. You probably can't tell, but I can tell it's on my finger and my hand. Yeah, I definitely wanted to put another one on. That's one. That's two. Boom. Just wanting to know, guys, it is pretty cheaty out. But not that bad like it have been. Just want to say too, guys, I'm sorry for not posting YouTube videos as much like I had been when I got YouTube. I just been, doing my thing. There we go. Okay, when we get out there, I can move. Look at it, man. The pad out there. Okay. Well, as a water bottle just fall down. Is what it is. Package up. Okay. Now I can. Oh, you guys almost got on a video of me falling down. Now, let me move this up so I can bump start it. See if it have no gas to go on a really bike ride. Oh yeah, they're pain enough. Those dogs is not going to make me have no followers. Okay. Oh no, I have to turn this off if I hold on, guys. Yep, hold on. Give me a minute. Okay. Well, can't use the fast switch on the phone, so I hope you guys will be able to see enough. Okay. But I can turn this on so you guys can see somewhat. Turn the tail light on too. On. Okay. Now we're ready. Nice and safe for the darkness. We did put me and Cole did put a spark plug in this bike today, and it starts right up. So when it wasn't starting up before, it was because the spark plug. That's another reason why I have not been posting videos, but now I can. Okay. That wasn't me. Promise you guys it wasn't. Now I'm turn the gas on. Half choke, just been inside my house in the heat, camp or whatever you want to call it. Might need choke. Okay, we will see how it goes. don't have a I don't have new front wheels like he do. So he can't go fast on the icy roads, but I can. Focus! What now tonight, Islander? Oh! If we can die. Yeah. What?
We just can't win with that bike.
I know. This bike has a fucking.
There's some snowmobiles out there on that.
Quite a bit. It's about like top down. It's bad. You want to go to my house? Man, it's so bad out. I can't see. It is very, very, very cold. I'm not even going to bed right inside. It's so fucking cold.
I can't feel my fingers.
My fingers is
My beard
gone.
is frozen. It's ice.
My feet is gone too. My fucking ears.
My beard is frozen. I don't think I've ever frozen my beard before.
I don't think it was a good night to go on a bike ride.
No, I can't feel my ears though.
You know when us hands going to warm up, they're going to hurt like a bitch.
My fingers really aren't that cold. It's just my ears and my legs.
Holy fuck. Turn the heat on. Oh wow. Somebody to top on it. Mom, why is there a big heater not working? Cool, is that bad? When I burst right here, I can't feel my fingers. I really cannot feel my fingers. Where we have this one.
How long were we out there?
I don't know.
That's only 12 minutes.
You want to take this off?
Sure, that was only 12 minutes, Tristan.
Well, thank you for watching, guys. I think it'll
Everything
be.
is frozen.
Yeah, everything is frozen. He is soaked with snow. I'm caked with snow. See you, guys.
See ya.
Well, I hope the video went okay. I have to fix or do something. Probably going to wear a head mount next time. You see how it goes. But the chest mount, wasn't doing the best on this video, but hope you guys like the bike ride and stay tuned. Peace out.